Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Board. Today I am here with the continuation of passing package target 40 plus for SSLC 10 maths, which are the 100% sure questions for board examination. So let us begin today's question here. Find the nature of root for the following equations, quadratic equations. Here they have told to find the nature of root. Even the question comes discuss the nature of root, or sometimes they ask the question find the value of discriminant. So let us see the first question here. Okay, so we have three questions and this is very important questions. So first, we know its standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us compare this equation. Here nothing means 1. In a place, a value is nothing but 1 and b value plus 6, c value is 9. So to find the nature of root, we have a formula d is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to b value is 6 square minus 4a square 4, a value is 1, c value is 9. So 6 square is nothing but 36, that is 6 6 are 36 minus 9 4 are 36. So what we got, d value 36 minus 36 is 0, and when d is equal to 0 we can write 2 equal real roots. See, we should write nature, and this for d equal to 0, 2 equal real roots nature is. So this is a very important question. Same way, let us do this question. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is 1, b value we can see here minus 4, c value is 2. Now the formula for discriminant, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. d is equals to b value is minus 4 whole square minus 4a value is 1, c value is 2. Okay, negative number and square means minus sign it will go. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8. So 16 minus 8 is nothing but 8, and 8 is greater than 0. That means d greater than 0. We can write real, 2 real and distinct root, 2 real and distinct root, or real and distinct root we can write only. Here 2 equal roots, or we can write only equal real roots. Here real and distinct roots. 2 I am writing because it is a quadratic equation. We can also write equal real roots and real distinct root, because greater than 0 real and distinct root. Let us see this now. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 4. Okay, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. d is equals to b value is minus 2 square minus 4a value is 1 and c value is minus 4. Okay, minus negative sign and square minus sign will go. 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16. Again we got 16 plus 4 is 20, which is greater than 0. Here also we can write d greater than 0, real and distinct root, real and distinct root. Now we will take one question, another question just I'll take. So just one more question I have taken so that we can find out the value. Here same way we should solve. Ax square minus our standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us compare. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 6. Okay, now we know discriminant formula. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So d is equals to b value is minus 5 whole square 4, a value is 2, c value is 6. Let us solve now. Minus sign and square, so minus into minus plus. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Now we should do minus here. 48 minus 25, 8 minus 5 3, 4 minus 2 2, 23, but bigger number sign is minus, so negative number. D, what we got? Negative, minus 23, which is less than 0. When we get negative numbers, they are less than 0 and the nature is no real roots. No real roots. Sometimes we can call as imaginary roots. So here we have solved 4 questions. In that, first one we got answer as 0, so we wrote equal to equal real roots. Second one we got 8, which is greater than 0, so D greater 0 means 2 real and distinct root. Here third also we got question answers as 20, which is greater than 0, real and distinct root. And next one more we solved, that we got as negative, that is less than 0, no real root. These are the very important question for board examinations. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.